Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start right away. Import your clip and pick a clear frontal face so Capcut can detect features reliably. Once done, go to Effects and open the Face Tracking tool. Make sure your playhead sits at the first frame where the face appears. Choose a tracking point, like the eyes or nose, because that stabilizes motion better than hair or background. Now tap Track or Analyze and let Capcut process the frames. This creates a trackable path you will use for overlays or auto-zoom. Once the track exists, attach your overlay, sticker, text, or mask by linking it to the face track so it follows movement. Make adjustments. Open keyframes and smooth abrupt jumps with easing or nudge problem frames by plus or minus 1-2 frames to remove jitter. If the overlay needs contouring, apply a mask and feather the edges. This blends the element into skin tones. Make sure to preview at real time and at double speed to catch subtle mismatches before final render. Finish by scrubbing the whole timeline and watching the overlay through the entire motion. Make last fixes where the track drifts. If you see brief failures, retrack short 5-10 frame sections or add manual anchor keyframes to force position. Export using the original resolution and frame rate with a higher bitrate so the effect remains crisp. If things go wrong, low light or occlusion, place manual anchors just before and after the obstructed frames. This prevents sudden jumps and keeps the effect stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.